This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Danish pastry, easy method. Begin by mixing a tender yeast dough, proof until it doubles, then chill it well. Roll the dough and layer with cold butter using a few gentle folds to create flaky layers. Keep everything cool and work quickly to preserve layers. Then shape, proof briefly, and bake until golden with glossy egg wash for a beautiful finish. To laminate successfully, roll your dough to a neat rectangle and add a cold butter block that covers most of the surface. Fold like a letter and give the dough a quarter turn between gentle rolls to maintain even layers. Chill for 20 to 30 minutes between each turn so the butter stays firm and creates distinct sheets. This rhythm of roll, fold, and rest yields the classic flaky Danish texture everyone loves. After laminating, roll the dough to your desired thickness and cut consistent shapes for even baking. Spoon a modest amount of filling such as custard, cream cheese, or fruit preserves into the center to avoid soggy pastries. Fold or twist shapes while keeping seams sealed, then egg wash for a shiny golden finish and add sliced almonds or pearl sugar if you like. Bake until puffed and deeply golden for best flavor and texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.